Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to apply all modifiers at once. For example, we have the cube, so let's add cube to the scene like this. Click on it, it's gonna be adding cube. Let's add a modifier, for example array modifier like this. Let's add another modifier which is bevel modifier. Minimize all these tabs and let's add mirror modifier like this. For example, solidify modifier, and we have added these 4 modifiers. Look to all these modifiers. What if you need to apply them all but you don't want to hit apply on each individual modifier? With the object selected, press F3. So let's press F3 like this. Search for convert to, as shown here. Search for convert to, then go over this and press enter. It's gonna be showing up this pop-up menu. Choose mesh from curve like this. Click on it. As you can see here, we have no modifiers. This applies the entire modifier stack. Another way would be to export it as an object file, for example, and check in the apply all modifiers export option that automatically applies the entire modifier stack as well. And that's it for this tutorial.